Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is a tutorial where I will show you step by step how to use MailTrack for your Gmail so you can know do people actually read your email or not. Let's hop in.
Step 1, guys, you click on add to Chrome. You wait 5 minutes or 4 or even shorter. You click add to extension. You wait a little bit because it's going to install right here on the bottom. And guys, if y'all don't like MailTrack, go to Chrome Web Store. See Chrome Web Store, that's where you find every extension you ever look for regarding Google. Right here, you know all the alternatives, no code, MailTrack alternatives, but in my opinion, I recommend email tracker, MailTrack, the original one. Okay, you'll get this notification. It'll lead you to getting started for MailTrack. You know, then it'll automatically take you to this page saying almost done. MailTrack needs to connect to your Gmail. You click advanced plan. The free plan has unlimited tracking, real-time desktop notifications, email alerts, and daily reports. This is when you're not gonna send emails regularly, you're just gonna send them once in a while. So if you're that person, I recommend you go for the free plan. Then the pro plan, it's $1 per month. It's $12 billed annually, and this is when you are promoting. Is when you are constantly sending people emails. You know, there's no mark, there's no mail track signature. There is link tracking. It's going to track your links whenever maybe you insert a link and you expect someone to click that link. It's going to take you there. There's a full tracking history and there's an email supports. Then for the advanced it's $2 per month. All pro features, group there's all pro features. There's group emails, individually tracked campaigns with a mail matchup. With campaigns mean that you can send emails, let's say you send from 1 January, then it schedules it, then you can send for 2nd January, 3rd January in different email campaigns with 1,000 people. So each 1,000 people you scheduling to send them this amount of emails per day or per month, no matter your choice. Then there's PDF doc tracking. It lets you know it is someone actually, let's say you send them an email and they download it. It's gonna let you know. So most of y'all want to know the free plan. So I see this page installation. If you get to this level, means that installation is complete. And I will send a link to this on how to add MailTrack to your iPhone or Android. Let me know if you all need help on that, but I'll link you all to a YouTube video to that. It's going to be in the link in the description below. And yeah, go to Gmail. I'm going to show you now, to verify that is this actually works. Now I'm going to click send my email to my other email account. I'm gonna keep it simple. Me. I'm gonna check on my phone on my email because I'm not gonna go through all the way here, all that process. No, 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 thank you, no. Send. And how you will know, guys, is this, you see the blue ticks, like WhatsApp blue ticks, double tick, that's where you know someone read it yet you have not received, and it will let you know. But in this lesson I'll show you the practical way. Okay, send. Here's my one blue tick. This person has not read my email yet, so I'm gonna check on my phone and I will read the email to show that it actually works. And you can try this test on yourself, guys. Okay, here's the email. I read it. The email is read, so I refresh. There you go, guys. The email is read. There will be notifications that will tell you here that how many people read your emails, But here, as you can see for yourself, that this person is active. As you can see, marked as active because it has been opened, replied to less than an hour ago. So this thing has been recent, you know. Right here, in this on your laptop, right here, how people has read your emails. Like it's on few computers that you will actually get the notification, but here, this is where you normally check.
Okay guys, that's how you integrate MailTrack into Gmail. Make sure you click the like button and below and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Love you guys.